Good morning, class. Today's our lesson is all about fruits and vegetables. But before that, we are going to sing a song. Okay? I will teach you how to sing. Okay, repeat after me. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Okay, that's for the song of all about fruits. So for this time, we are going to discuss all the vegetables and fruits. Okay, so here are the some example of the fruits. But okay, we will discuss the differentiate the fruits and the vegetables. Okay, this one is, what do you call this, class? Okay, this is strawberry. Okay, this is strawberry. The strawberry is fruits or a vegetables. Okay, this is a fruits. Okay, next, how about this one? Okay, what do you call this? Okay, this is a cabbage. Okay, what do you think is this? It is a fruit or a vegetable? Oh, right. This is a vegetables. Okay, now, how about this one? What is this? Oh, it's an apple. This is an apple. So, it is a fruits or a vegetables? Okay, this is a fruits. How about this one? Oh, what color is this? Okay, this is color green. What do you call this? Okay, this is this is a bitter gourd. Okay, bitter gourd. It is a fruits or a vegetables? Alright, this is a vegetable. How about this one? It looks like this. Oh, this is a banana. Banana, it is a fruits or a vegetable? Alright, this is a vegetable. How about this one? Okay, no, this is not a fruit. Okay, this is a tomato. Tomato. This is a vegetable. This is not fruit because this is different from the apple. Okay, this one is a vegetables. Alright. Then how about this one? This is a cherries. Cherries, it is a fruits. Okay. How about this one? Alright. This is a broccoli. What color of the broccoli? Oh, this is a broccoli color green. It is a fruit or vegetable? Alright, this is a vegetables. How about this one? It looks like this. Oh, this is a pear. Okay, pear, it is a fruits or a vegetable? Alright, this is a fruits. How about this one? It looks like this. This is a peach. It is a fruits or a vegetable? Fruits or vegetable? Alright, this is a fruits. How about this one? A purple one. What color? Purple. Okay, what do you call this? An eggplant. Very good. It is a vegetable or fruits? Alright, this is a vegetables. Okay, how about this one? It's also a purple. Alright, a grapes. It is a vegetable. Okay, kapon ka.